All right, I think I got it. I got to tidy up everything. But I think I got all the circuits laid out. Let me show you. That's for all where the stereo, the center console is going to be, the amp's going to be, seat heaters are going to be, a charge port's going to be, all in the center. All those wires are going out. Most of those are coming over here. Some are going to here, some are going to the back. That seat, this seat, got wires going back there. Speaker wires. The only thing I had to add over here is just the headlight wire for the new LED headlight. So I just got to add this red wire to this harness over here. And then that side's done. That'll be all the wires on this side. I just got to finish these out for the headlight, marker light, and horn. And then everything over here is going to be coming out the firewall, under the battery tray. I got two fuses coming today, and I'm gonna build a tray underneath the battery and put the two fuses underneath the battery. So you have to remove the battery to get to the main fuses, but they'll be hidden and nobody will see them from human eye. So I think it's gonna be pretty trick. I got the battery. Okay, so then these are all the circuits that need to come out here to run the AC compressor, the fan, the front lights, and then we got the original harness in there too. So we'll tie the old harness and the new harness with each other. And then, yeah. Got our main amp wire coming through. So now you gotta get it all organized, tape down, and then terminate it, and start terminating every device. And then as I terminate every device, I can start testing out circuits. And once we get everything tested out and working and verified, then we're ready to fire up. We've got just these two for the rear lights, and then this is the rear harness. I just got to rework it and cover it and clean it up, tidy it up, cut off a couple things we're not using. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're almost there. Almost there.